Here is this app called Blackmagic Camera. You can go to their website, blackmagicdesign.com, and read more about it. And it says like introducing digital film for iPhone. Blackmagic unlocks the power of your iPhone by adding Blackmagic's digital film camera controls and image processing. Now you can create the same cinematic look as Hollywood feature films. You get the same intuitive and user-friendly interface as the Blackmagic Design's award-winning cameras. It's just like using a professional digital film camera. And this app claims to have, a bit more advanced features compared just to standard iPhone camera, such as, of course, like the frame rate, shutter angle, white balance, and ISO. You can record directly to Blackmagic Cloud in industry standard 10-bit Apple ProRes files up to 4K. And then you can collaborate on this project. So yeah, this is basically the new trend, I guess, with the newer iPhones 14 Pro or 15 Plus. And the idea with it is that, iPhones, getting really good cameras, latest models, they are also, getting much more storage. And they now also iPhone 15 getting USB-C cable, which means you can much faster transfer all the footage from your phone to some other device. At the moment, still, if you will start to film at the highest resolution on iPhone, it's still kind of the storage is not enough. So ideally, it would be really good if iPhone had the feature that you can connect some huge external drive and then instantly transfer all that storage to that external drive, all that footage I meant. I don't know if this feature is yet available, but you don't want to spend you probably need 10 terabyte iPhone or something like that. But yeah, so this thing is still not available, but these are the early starts of when you really, with the good cameras, you can create some really almost, I wouldn't say professional, but like really nice footage just with your latest iPhone. And this is one of the first apps which kind of tries to achieve that. So there are some like interactive controls for fast setup. Blackmagic Camera has all the controls you need to quickly set up and start shooting. Everything is interactive, so you can tap any item and instantly change settings without searching through confusing menus. You can see camera, media, chat, settings. On screen has up this, you can see status indicators. Lens let you select a lens for your shot. Cell phones often have several lenses ranging from 13, 24, and 7mm telephoto. Frames per second, shutter speed. Here you can see in the top left there is shutter speed. Then there is time code. Then there is project name indicators and ISO to the top right. White balance tint. And then resolution, histogram, audio meters in the bottom right. Then there is record button. Then there is storage indicator in the bottom, upload indicator. Then zebra display will draw diagonal lines over areas which have excessive exposure level. Focus assist. Grids, which you can also enable, frame guides, safe area guides, false color, 3D light indicator. So all of these features like touch to focus, auto exposure, image stabilization, zoom controls, like all these metadata settings. So yeah, kind of quite cool. So let's just give it a try. So here is the camera. For example, I'm just filming in my room. But yeah, that's what it is. It has a bit of, kind of like delayed stabilization already. And then basically, so you can just rotate it like this. And then you can see like on the left you have lens, then FPS, shutter, Then you can start recording ISO, tint. So all of these additional settings, you can see leftover storage. You can see a microphone, you can see levels, then some additional selection. Here on the right, you can also give a try to then some kind of stabilization, I guess, or then zoom. You can quite nicely zoom it like that. It's just my room. And then slide for next clip, reel, lens data. You can see it like that. So yeah, you can explore quite a lot of things, and then you just can see your media here. Then there is chat, but then yeah, to access your project's chat, you need to upgrade, and then there are settings. So here you can change like the codecs resolution, color space, camera, audio, monitor. Yeah, by the way, so I'm using this on iPhone 14 Pro, not Pro Max, just Pro. And then here you just have this. And then, yeah, also again, you just have like camera. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the of this camera. You can also use it in the like vertical position, and then yeah, you can just record like and then it will appear in the media. So it's not that, of course, this app is just adding, and it's not that this app is adding some additional, quality or something. It's just, it has all these additional controls, which, yeah, it just adds more professional vibe to it. Of course, it's far from like being super professional, but it's like, iMovie for making, or like GarageBand or like these kind of apps where you kind of, if you want to try more professional vibe in making some movies, then you can try this app. I guess there will be more and more apps in this category with advancing iPhone cameras. There is also DaVinci Resolve software. So yeah, give it a try. Also, you can sign up for this Blackmagic Cloud. If you want, you can sign up. I don't know the pricing. This is what you need. So that's what it is. If you use this app for specific use cases, just leave some comments. Interesting to know what did you experience and does it work for you and all of that.